Then stretch denim. What is stretch denim? Nowadays stretch leggings will be there. Stretch, it is very skin touch denims, jeans. Why that? It is having the fabric mill is blending the cotton yarn with the lycra. Not yarn is blended with lycra. The yarn produced with the lycra fibers. The yarn made with the lycra content, elastane content, elasticity will be there. Yarn is having elasticity. As per my experience in denim works, 98.5% cotton, 1.5% elastane. This is the regular is there. Or 99% cotton, 1% lycra elastane. It's better. It's usually there, not more than that. If it is more than that, it's become leggings stretch, 3% elastane. Even it is more is not there. That is mechanical stretch is given to the fabrics. Some other technology is adopted, mechanical stretch or is adopted. Usually 1.1 to 1.5%. Maximum if required 2% is there. Okay, stretch them. Fabrics are stretching. And also one more important, I'm telling you, stretch denims. The stretching, fabric getting stretched, but that is not the guarantee or warranty of stretching. Nobody will give warranty or guarantee of stretching. After prolonged wearing of the stretched denims, okay, what will happen? It will not recover its original position after prolonged. It will loses its stretchability, recoverability. Okay, because of that. And also, I'm coming here the technical point, shrinkage. Shrinkage of the denim fabric is more. More means how much? In regular plain view, 12 view, what we heard, acceptable, worldwide acceptable, plus or minus 3% is acceptable. For knitted goods, plus or minus 5% is acceptable shrinkage. But in denim case, whatever the rigid denim is, even though rigid denim, 7 to 8% is shrinkage will be there. Even up to 10, if because of the lycra content, it will be up to this crossing 10, 12%, 10, 11, 12, up to 10 is will be there. Okay, shrinkage will be there. This shrinkage to be considered while stitching the garments. Okay, whatever the raw denim purchased from the denim mill, fabric mill, this shrinkage to be considered is very important while cutting the fabric for making the apparels. This is very important. Okay, second important is color fastness of this garment made is poor, proving fastness, that is to be considered. What type of garments they are making. These are important points to be considered to make.